Sharks are fascinating and efficient predators, known for their unique hunting abilities. Their hunting success is due to a combination of physical adaptations, keen senses, and strategies that vary by species, environment, and type of prey. Here's how these strategies work. 1. Specialized senses. Before attacking, the shark uses its highly developed senses to detect and locate its prey. Smell. Sharks can detect a drop of blood in millions of liters of water. Their sense of smell is key to identifying injured or weak prey. Lateral line. This sensory structure allows them to perceive vibrations and movements in the water at long distances. Electroreception. Thanks to the ampullae of Lorenzini, sharks can detect the electric fields generated by the muscle movements of other animals. This is useful in murky waters or when prey is hidden. Vision. Their eyes are sensitive to dim light and detect movements at great distances. It is ideal for hunting in deep water or at dawn and dusk. 2. Common hunting strategies. Surprise it is. Sharks like the great white shark use a fast and stealthy strategy. They approach from below or from angles where the prey has less visibility. They take advantage of their coloration. The dark dorsal part camouflages itself with the seabed, while its white ventral part blends in with the light of the surface. They attack with great speed, surprising the prey before it can react. Harassment and exhaustion. This is common in sharks like the tiger shark. They pursue their prey for longer periods until they are exhausted. This technique is especially useful against sea turtles or large, slow animals. Group hunting. Some species, like the hammerhead shark, cooperate in packs to surround and ambush fish. It is also observed in gray reef sharks, which coordinate movements to corner schools of fish. Using the environment. Sharks like the reef shark use coral and rock formations to ambush prey. The great white shark near islands like Guadalupe uses the seabed to hide and then launches upward in explosive attacks, especially against seals or sea lions. Filter and lunge. The whale shark and the basking shark are filter feeders. They open their huge mouths and swim slowly, filtering out plankton and small fish. Some sharks combine this technique with lunges against schools of fish, taking advantage of the disorder to catch stragglers. 3. Example, great white shark strategy. The great white shark, one of the most efficient hunters in the ocean, lurks from the depths and waits for the opportune moment. It locates its prey with precision and launches itself at full speed, propelling itself with its powerful tail. Its initial attack seeks to immobilize or incapacitate the prey with a single bite. Then, it retreats to wait for the prey to lose strength from bleeding before consuming it. 4. Example, thresher shark strategy. The thresher shark uses its extremely long tail like a whip to stun schools of small fish. Once the prey is stunned, it is easily picked up. 5. Adaptation to the night. Many species of sharks, such as the nurse shark, hunt at night. They move slowly near the seafloor, using their sensory barbels to search for crustaceans and mollusks hidden in the sand. In short, sharks are consummate strategists that use their physique, keen senses, and adaptive behavior to ensure their success as predators. The combination of stealth, speed, and precision makes them true masters of ocean hunting. Sharks have an incredibly sensitive sense of smell and can detect blood at great distances, although not as far away as is often exaggerated in some stories or movies. For example, sharks can smell a drop of blood in about 1 million liters of water, the equivalent of an Olympic swimming pool. In terms of distance, depending on the current and water conditions, they could pick up the scent of blood from hundreds of meters away, but not from kilometers away as is sometimes believed. How do they do it? The secret is in their olfactory system. Their nostrils, located at the front of the snout, are connected to chemical receptors that detect minute concentrations of compounds in the water, such as amino acids present in blood and other organic fluids. How it works in hunting. Tracking by concentration. When a shark detects a scent, it moves against the current to locate its source. Orientation. If the scent is stronger in one nostril than the other, the shark adjusts its path until it finds the exact source. Curiosity. They don't just detect blood. They can also identify different types of blood, favoring injured or weak prey. They can distinguish between the blood of animals that are usually their prey and other animals that do not interest them. Although they cannot smell from miles away, their sense of smell is still one of the most powerful in the animal kingdom, making them perfect predators in the ocean. Electroreception is one of the most fascinating and unique senses of sharks. Thanks to this mechanism, they can detect electrical fields generated by other living beings. This makes them even more efficient predators, especially in conditions where other senses, such as sight or smell, are not as useful. How does electroreception work? Sharks have structures called ampullae of Lorenzini. These are small cavities filled with a conductive gel and are connected to pores in their skin. They are mainly found on the head and snout of the shark, giving it that characteristic appearance full of small holes. When a fish, or any organism, makes a muscular movement, it generates an electrical field. The ampullae of Lorenzini detect these electrical signals even if the prey is hidden under the sand. It moves silently in murky waters. It is in complete darkness. Advantages in hunting. Hunting on the seafloor. Sharks like the hammerhead use their broad, blistered heads to comb the ocean floor. They can detect prey like rays or flatfish buried in the sand. Stealth attacks. When a prey stands still to avoid being seen or heard, it still emits electrical signals, and the shark can detect them. Night hunting. In the dark, where other predators can't see, sharks rely on their electroreception to locate prey. Fun facts about electroreception. Extreme sensitivity. Sharks can detect electrical fields of less than a millionth of a volt. This is equivalent to sensing the electrical activity of a fish's heart from several meters away. Orientation in the ocean. In addition to hunting, some sharks use electroreception to detect the Earth's magnetic fields and navigate across large distances in the ocean. Relentless hunters. The great white shark combines its speed, sight, and electroreception to locate and attack seals with surprising precision. Example: the hammerhead shark. The hammerhead shark is the perfect example of how nature adapts a species. Its head, shaped like a T or hammer, has a greater number of ampullae of Lorenzini. This structure allows it to sweep large areas of the seabed, even detecting the breathing of a buried ray. In short, electroreception is like a sixth sense that makes sharks relentless and versatile predators. They can perceive the world in a way that no other animal can, being a key sense in dark, deep environments or where prey tries to go unnoticed. Sharks truly are wonders of nature, with unique and fascinating abilities. And remember, sharks are not only perfect hunters, but also guardians of the ocean.